It's all good. Alright guys, there's lots of Christmas buildings in this layout. We also have the Canadian Pacific Holiday Train up top. And then all the way at the top there's another holiday train. It's not the CP train, but that is the full Canadian Pacific Holiday Train. Some other MTH cars. But this whole scene up here just looks amazing. Lots of ceramic buildings. It's what? We have 1 tier, 2.5 tier, because this track here goes all the way up top and then loops back around. And we have a 3rd tier and then a 4th tier. So there's that other holiday train up there with blinking lights and such. So we have like what, 4 or 5 tiers of trains. And they said today we were the like 398th person to come in here, and then the people behind us were 400. So they've had over 400 people today. And this layout is a classic to the Baltimore area. I've been coming here since I was about as tall as this platform right here. So
it's been here probably since before then, because I remember when I was a kid.
I was at least 2.5 feet tall coming here with the Cub Scouts.
I used to have to stand. They had like a rail they used to have, and I used to have to stand up on the rail.
Yeah, they used to have a foot rail. And guys, this layout's different than any year. So last year or the year before, they kind of had this went around the perimeter of this hall, and then in the middle you would walk through like an S. So you come out from this side here, walk around, and then loop around the layout, go between this mountain, and then S-bend around the other side. So it's a little bit different, but this looks absolutely amazing. They got some really cool engines running. They got some like GE engines up top. Then on this outer track, they're running the triplex, which you guys just saw a lot of footage of. It's a beautiful looking engine. I did report the traction tire, so before anyone comments, right, did you see the traction tire that's falling off? Yes, I reported it. If you see something, say something. But this layout looks amazing. There's a lot going on. And the triplex is coming down. You can see the headlight there in the left portion of your screen. We'll get that in just a second.
Oh, I just noticed they have a prisoner game in the helicopter.
Oh yeah, prisoner on the helicopter. Prisoner exchange. It's like Hannibal Lecter. Yeah, this is so amazing. Just given a lot of time. I mean, there's so much to see. You could probably spend a couple hours in here.
Starbucks, and they have Taco Bell.
Lots of Menards buildings. And then here's an FT set with this bobber caboose in the front as a joke. I like it. There you go. FT, what are you? Oh, Wise Avenue Volunteer Fire. Okay. Very cool. And they're upgraded. It looks like with Proto 3 potentially. There's the triplex. Erie triplex. Beautiful engine. Yeah, it's awesome. And the trolley up top. So guys, they're using all MTH rail tracks is what I use on my layout. This isn't ballasted in because they have to tear all this down. So in a couple days, this will all be torn down and put into storage for next year. I can't wait to see what they're gonna do. This year is just absolutely amazing. Oh, there's a Canton Railroad switcher right in the middle. That's a local favorite railroad. Very nice. Those are really hard to find.
Oh, and then it goes back there. That's under the bridge.
Oh yeah, it goes under the Bay Bridge right there. Now see how this is cut out, guys? Like this. You used to be able to walk in there. And there's the Canton Railroad. So at one point we could walk like right in here, and there was like miniature layouts on the inside of that as well.
Yeah, they almost had it set up like in two separate layouts.
Yeah. There's a lot of fire and rescue stuff, guys, because we are at a fire hall. This is an operating volunteer fire department. If you'd like to donate, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check them out on Facebook to donate to the cause. It's all volunteer base. Here's the major situation here. You know, huge fire. Not the groceries. Come on, the economy is already rough enough. We got to burn our groceries. Come on. But yeah, it's crazy. Like I said, lots of fire and rescue. Got this fire truck moving. Lots of LED lights. It just looks amazing. There's more for you guys. They also have the LEDs in here programmed to basically go through a cycle. So right now we're going through like, you know, evening, and then it goes darker for night, and all the lights in town turn on. It's pretty amazing. And there's that FT at the top. So this engine here, this FT set, goes around the entire layout. I bet you that engine's got like a couple hundred miles on it just from this Christmas season.
Constellation.
Oh, the boat?
Yeah.
And it's got the huge waterfall. Mm-hmm. That's crazy. All right, guys, so the lights are cycling through and it's turning into nighttime. We have the highway over there. We'll get to that. There's a lot of town buildings, all different mix. So there's some like, I'm seeing lots of MTH buildings. MTH buildings are the ones with this concrete lip on them. Then you also have some Woodland Scenic buildings in here. Like this corner store there, Billiard Hall, the theater, Woodland Scenics. Really nice looking buildings. And lots of kids. Well, that one's a lot nicer than my theater. You have a car shop in here. Some switches in here as well. And guys, rail tracks, this is all the solid rail for the most part. These adapters in here are the newer tubular, but some of these switches and such are the original rail tracks, solid rail. It looks really, really good. And then in here, there's like a veterans park. And then the showcase of this era is the moving highway, which is awesome. It's supposed to mimic like the Beltway or I-95, which I thought was really nice. Got lots of street lights there, really fast moving cars. There's some more of the highway for you guys. Now the cool thing is, oh, here it is. This FT set AA units. Go up this crazy grade right here. Check this out. And then from there, they start their journey around the entire layout, and all the way through the mountain, around the Mountain Kingdom here, the Christmas Kingdom, to the other side. It's amazing, honestly. But that is one heck of a grade. It goes up about 18 inches or so. Oh, whatever grade that is. Oh, look at that truck. Doing a wheelie there. Thought that was cool. Here's the triplex. And this train has all of their years on cars. These are like specialty cars that they made throughout the years. It's like 24 years of since 2000. So 24 years of cars. Alright guys, I just found out that inside that caboose is actually the camera car that's being projected on the screen. You can see the reflection of the screen right here, which is really cool. It's like a Pepper's Ghost effect with the camera. So this is actually what's being broadcasted out of the caboose onto a TV behind me. We'll check it out. There's my hand in the reflection. Thought that was kind of cool. We'll take a look at that in just a second. But on the end of that FT is a caboose camera car. This is really cool, incorporating all kinds of stuff. You know, model stuff, ceramic stuff, also some Halloween stuff like Department 56. All that stuff. It's pretty amazing. Lots of animated trains and such. Top. And there's that. I hear the triplex. That thing is the star of the show for sure. They are really interesting engines. I want one really bad. They're just really crazy looking. There it is coming around. So it's a triplex, first set of cylinders, second set, third set, and then the exhaust for the third set is out of the tender at the back. So this engine has two different smoke units. They're pretty crazy. But up top we have the bridge, people jumping off the bridge right there. I thought the waterfall used to be real. It looks like they used to have water coming down, but it looks like it's off right now. And then up top we have all the different Christmas Village buildings up top as well. It just looks absolutely amazing. There go the lights as well.
She fell asleep. I just did what I did. Everybody told me, and followed all the rules. Yeah, I got it. Which brand is that? Oh, you're welcome. It's MTH. Oh, there we go. Are they all MTH? All the ones we have. Are they all?